Hi boys and girls, today Miss Jensen's going to teach you how to play a game called Pop for Blends. And now this game is a great way to practice your blends. So here's how you play. You need to have a buddy or a group of friends. I would say no more than 4 people. You're going to open the top and find the spinner. This is the spinner. Okay? You're going to rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. And then I'll show you how you play. I just put the cap like this so I don't lose it. And this is going to be passed around from person to person, but the rule is you cannot peek inside and look and pick which popcorn piece you're getting. You have to close your eyes when you pick. So I'm going to go first. I'm going to spin my spinner just like this, gentle. I got a 3. That means I'm going to close my eyes and pick 3 popcorn pieces. 1, 2, 3. Now, I got PR, purr, PH, and I got SK, sk. So there's actually some digraphs in this game. What you have to do with your 3 pieces, since I landed on a 3, is you have to come up with one word that begins with these blends and digraphs. So for F, I know phone. Sk, I know skateboard. And PR, purr, I know pretty. Now, if someone in your group or your partner or you don't know, like let's say you get SK and you don't know, you have to put this in the middle. You're going to have a pile in the middle that's the I don't know pile. And someone in your group can say, ooh, I know, and they can steal your popcorn chip. Now, let's say you get, let me find one in here, give me a minute. Let's say you get a piece that says pop. Let me show you what it looks like. Here's one. Let's say you close your eyes and you get one that says pop. You have to take all your pieces that you just got and you have to, let me see what it says exactly. Return all your cards to the box. So that means you have to start fresh. You have no cards. And the player at the end of your timer, you'll set your timer for 10 or 15 minutes. The player with the most popcorn at the end wins the game. But the trick is you don't want to get a pop because that's when you lose all your cards and you have to put them back. Okay? Let's make sure we play nicely. We follow our 3 Bs. We're respectful to each other. And we just have fun learning our blends. All right, boys and girls, have fun playing Pop for Blends. Bye.